Mark and Patty flew from Portland, Oregon to Fort Lauderdale, Florida, where they joined up with their good friend Josh Lynn, who is a key member of the G. Loomis fly fishing team. We were on our way to the rich fishing grounds of Everglades National Park. No trip to South Florida is complete without a stop at the International Game Fish Association Hall of Fame and Museum. IGFA hosts magnificent displays of game fish and sport fishing. After our IGFA tour, we ate lunch and fed the resident iguanas. Then we crossed from the Atlantic side to the Gulf side of Florida, and then south to Everglades City, and then to Chokoloskee at the north entrance to the park. Everglades Park encompasses thousands of acres of pristine waterways. Our goal was to test several models of 9-weight G. Loomis rods against the redfish and snook of the park.
So we're going to run out to the Gulf and go south, and first bite doesn't have anybody in it that looks good. We're going to go ahead and start pushing around and see what happens.
Cool. We took 2 Hells Bay skiffs with Frank, Patty, and Mark in one, and Josh Lynn and Tom Cook in the other. For the first 3 days, the prevailing wind was from the northeast, which made for poor visibility in the water. Fishing was a little slow because of it. It just made us more appreciative when we did score.
Okay, what do you got there?
Redfish.
Cool. Yeah, he does. Tug of war, tug of war.
Yes, they don't eat poppers.
Well, we just proved them wrong.
Yeah, they don't eat sliders. Deep water like this.
Very, very cool.
Oh, that's a nice one too. Tell us all about it. What do you got on there?
Well, I got on one of Frank's patented yeller sliders, and we fished our way quite a bit of mangrove edge here before we finally found the fish. It's high tide, so most of the fish are back in the mangrove. But this one here just happened to be out where I could get at them. The water's a little on the dirty side today, but obviously it didn't matter to this guy here.
No, it's boy sure light colored, isn't he? Boy, isn't he pretty? Yeah, you want to tip him backwards? There you go. Frank holding Mark's fish.
Good job, Mark.
That's cool.
Typical Everglades redfish.
Yeah.
About average size ones we find here.
The redfish that we caught from the Everglades averaged about 5 to 7 pounds and probably pulled like similar sized steelhead. Each afternoon, the parties in both boats would meet at a designated location for refreshments and to compare fishing information. Redfish in the Everglades eat a lot of crabs, which are prolific in many different kinds of habitats. They come in a variety of sizes and colors. All redfish flies are more effective if they are constructed with weed guards. Finally, on our 4th day, the wind switched to the southeast and the fishing really picked up.
We pulled him out about 4.5 inches of water.
Yeah. A great cast, great presentation, great everything.
Well, I thought it was behind it. But
He's so in the feed
he
with
must
this
have
southeast wind.
Yeah, he must have heard it splash down.
Yeah, he did. He turned.
Yeah.
Redfish Patty, she was known as.
Yeah, right. Oh, I took her to the fourth.
Yeah, you did a good job.
It's pretty, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're like iridescent and everything. They're pretty cool.
Oh, look at that!
Okay.
Oh, that's a dandy.
Okay, now that's good.
Yeah, we'll just
Okay.
let you hold it because
Okay.
he's a, yeah.
Put your hand on the other side of it, please.
Mine?
No, there you go. There you go.
Ta-da!
There you go.
Is that a beauty?
That's a beauty. You guys are beautiful too. Redfish and the places they live truly are beautiful.
Very super cool.
Get your redfish, flies, and tackle from www.flyfishusa.com. You know they have the experience.